Fuse Media. Guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. You know, this is all what everybody been waiting on. They hear me mention about cooking, but guess what, guys? I have one for you, and this one is I'm gonna show you guys how to make Jamaican dumpling, because I put it up on TikTok and lots of people feel like they get cheated out, and when I make the dough, they never see an actual dumpling. But this one, guys, let's go to the kitchen. Now we're in the kitchen, guys. I have my stuff prepared because guess what? It's expensive for commercial. I'm not gonna show the salt company into the video. So what I did, I pour out enough salt into a bowl, and then for this mix, because I have the flour right here, and I'm not going to talk over the flour as well. So this flour right here, it's 1.5 of this bowl of flour, because I'm making for myself. So I'm not making too much food, and I'm showing you guys how to make the Jamaican dumpling. So for this mix, as I mentioned, I'm going to need just a tablespoon of salt for this mix. And I'm good for salt. I use this bowl to put water into this bowl to mix that dough. And then, and I never show you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it, I have my pot on the stove. You see it? My pot is on the stove, and I turn the stove on. So as soon as that come to a boil, then I'll be able to make the dumplings and put them into that pot. It's time to start the mixing. So you're gonna fill your bowl up with water. Then you're gonna add your salt to the mix. So 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you just pour it and sprinkle it all over. Then you're gonna mix your flour, add your water, and then you're gonna start the mix. Keep moving your hand in a circular motion. Try to blend the water in with the flour. Then you add more water. And keep mixing. What you're doing, you try to get the flour into a mix. And soon as the flour start to picking up and turning into a dough, so you're gonna keep turning it, mix that water into the flour, add more water as you go, and keep mixing, keep kneading. See it start to come into forming a dough now. And remember that bowl of water, I do the calculation, it's the right amount of water to mix this flour into a dough. So you keep mixing, keep pushing down, keep your hand going around. Just keep working your way on it. It's all about caressing at this point. So you add more water. Then you keep mixing. And this is the time when you're gonna move it around, so you're gonna get all the flour start sticking to the dough base. So now you keep mixing. Just keep turning your hands, keep spinning that dough. You notice there's less flour, so add more water so you can get the rest of flour out of the bowl. You keep doing the same thing, mixing. Keep pounding down on it and turn it over. See it? It's changing shape. And you can see the flour in the bowl is getting lesser now. Keep mixing, keep turning over, keep folding. Basically, when you're turning the dough over, you're just folding it the other way. So keep going, keep going, keep moving. Then now you're gonna need your two hands sometime because now the dough is expanding now. So you hold the bowl and then you're gonna just use your two hands to caress it more, kind of rolling it out, stretching it, and then you put it back in the bowl, and there you go. It's come to a dough, and the dough you just keep compress it, keep working it in, letting out all the air pockets, and what, there you go, guys. So now the next step is to make the dumpling and put them into the pot. So I'm just waiting till my pot come to a boil. Now it's time to actually make the dumplings and put them into the pot. So you take the cover off the pot, then you pinch off a piece in your palm of your hand, then you roll it. Keep rolling it out, turn it till it comes into a perfect circle. Flatten it out as you go. See it? That's a dumpling right there. Add that one to the pot. See it? I'm going to show you in slow motion. Just like that. See? And then you keep going around. You press it down. And see? It's a perfect circle. So you're going to do as much as you want. I don't really count how much dumpling the dough make. I just put some dumpling in the pot. So you can make it in the shape you want. It doesn't have to be perfectly round. But I've been doing this for a long time, so I know to get it round. It's gonna take practice to get it like perfect. See, again, I'm showing you. See, I'm even open my hands to make you see how round it's going to a ball, and then you press down. See, perfect. But remember, it takes practice. See, I'm going fast right now. You can make them in different sizes. See, when you want it to be round, you see I have to twist that one more, roll it over more, and then to the exact how I want it. So now you pinch off another piece and you go. And I will show you guys how to make some different style and different types. So keep on making the way you like it. Just keep doing it the way you like it. But remember, I'm just showing you guys the steps. So see, I'm moving fast now. Put that one in the pot. And this one is a different way. This one is the make spinners. So any shape you want, it's just what suits you best. So I'm gonna make a few more. And at this point my flour is getting less. So it's just grab a spoon. You're gonna stir the pot because the dough will start sticking at the bottom of the pot. So you make the final. See it? Bring this one up and show you. And then that's the last one. And this is how it is done. Voila. And you keep stirring. Remember guys, now everything is in the pot. You're gonna put a half tablespoon, not teaspoon of salt. Sorry. And then you're gonna get the cover for the pot. But when you do this, guy, it's gonna take at least, I would give it 20 minutes. Put the cover on, give it 20 minutes. And from once the dumplings start to float around on the top of the water, then you know it's getting close to be ready. So guys, there you have it. And that's it for that part. So remember guys, it's a hot pot, so you don't try to do what I do in the video. I used to these temperature by now to hold in hot pot with my hands, but always to be safe guys, use a dish towel to hold the pot, or you use one of those oven mitts to hold the pot handle because it's hot. Now guys, as you can see, the dumpling is ready. So remember, you can have this with chicken, you can have it with anything. If you want to just have it just like this, I'm going to show you. I'm going to grab a fork and then we're going to dive in guys. See it? This is the finished product. See it? And that's the way you make Jamaican dumpling. Yummy guys. Jamaican dumpling. You guys saw it prepare. Remember guys, it's done and it's done. Guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.